Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent these beeswax bowls covers. Now, what are they for? They are for covering up bowls from around 7-ish inches up to around 12, almost 12 inches. So this is a standard KitchenAid bowl, and it covers it up just fine. It's got a nice, it's all with this beeswax, so it's a nice material on the inside, and it's got elastic on the outside that allows it to grip around the bowl. And if you're making bread, I make a lot of breads and pizza doughs, and you've got to let that rise. Rather than wasting so much saran wrap or anything covering wise, you can just put this on here, stick it on there, let it rise, and then just simply wash it off with soap and water because they are completely reusable. So you've got this one with the design of the pineapples, and this is your little strawberries. It just simply goes over. Like I said, you've got 2 different sizes here, so it'll go over a variety of different bowls, whether you've got a small one or a bigger size. These would work great for anyone wanting to have a reusable, great cover for a bowl.